I don't get it, bro. Why can't y'all just leave him alone, bro? Leave us alone. We can't just have players. Our players just can't have a good day, bro, without getting fucking drug tested. This is the second time they done did this shit to AJ Brown, bro. He just can't go 9 for 175 and 2 touchdowns without having to be on drugs. This is fucking ridiculous, bro. Why? It's because he played for the Eagles, though, ain't it? That's the reason. 9 for 175, y'all, and 2 touchdowns. And now our guy gets one more fucking drug test. I don't understand this, bro. What the fuck? Why, bro? Why? Why is he getting drug tested? Go Bears regardless.